Welcome back to Finishing Friday. This season is the Destroyed Condo. This is season 4, part 2. This is going to be called Dumpterific because, believe it or not, luckily it was a condo and they had pickups twice a week because it was probably 4 or 5, maybe more dumpster loads full because I was taking load after load after load to the dumpster. Even though they destroyed the condo and they didn't pay, they did leave a flatbed cart, which came in great use because, it was on the second floor and I wasn't carrying these big tubs that I bought to put all the trash in, individually down there. So I could do 3 or 4 tubs, on the cart and roll it down to the dumpster. So again, that saved a ton of money and a ton of time. And like I said, the cleanup took forever. There was so much stuff there. It was filthy, and I'm so glad that is so much in the rearview mirror that I don't have to worry about that anymore. Next time, I'm definitely gonna pay someone to do it. So yes, I'm back at it again, cleaning my filthy condo rental. You can see behind me is the room that I was working on last night. I got it all clean last night, except for when I started to take out all the recycle and garbage, it started pouring down rain, so I had to leave all the trash here. As you can see, they have tons of cleaning supplies that I don't know if they don't know how to operate or if it's just what it is. So if you can see here is all the trash that still needs to go out to the dumpster, as well as this bin right here. And then behind me here, we have a ton of recycle that needs to go back out. As you can see, I still have a lot to run just for that one filthy room that's behind me right here. So I gotta clean out cabinets now and another closet, but I'm getting closer to finish.